Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are diving into the lush and vibrant world of Alphonso mango farming. Known as the king of mangoes, Alphonso mangoes are cherished worldwide for their rich flavor, sweetness, and delightful aroma. Whether you're a farming enthusiast, a seasoned grower, or simply a mango lover, this video will guide you through the essential steps of cultivating these golden gems. Let's embark on this sweet journey together. Rich, creamy, and non-fibrous flesh. Sweet and aromatic flavor. High market demand and premium price. Warm, humid climate with temperatures between 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. Well-drained, sandy loam soil with pH levels between 5.5 to 7.5. Requires full sunlight for optimal growth. Remove weeds, debris, and unwanted plants. Plow the land to a depth of 30 to 40 centimeters to enhance soil aeration. Ensure the land is leveled for proper irrigation. Select healthy, disease-free saplings from a reliable nursery. Best time to plant is during the monsoon season. Maintain a spacing of 8 to 10 meters between saplings to ensure ample growth space. Water immediately after planting. Follow a consistent watering schedule, especially during dry spells. Drip irrigation. Recommended for efficient water usage and better growth. Use well-decomposed farmyard manure or compost. Apply NPK fertilizers as per soil test recommendations. Ensure the supply of essential micronutrients like zinc, iron, and magnesium. Remove weak, diseased, or dead branches. Shape the tree to allow sunlight penetration and air circulation. Conduct annual pruning to maintain tree health and productivity. Pests. Mango hoppers, mealybugs, and fruit flies. Diseases. Powdery mildew, anthracnose, and sooty mold. Use integrated pest management, IPM, techniques, including biological controls and safe pesticides. Look for a change in color and a sweet aroma. Use a sharp knife or mango picker to avoid damage. Clean, sort, and pack mangoes carefully to prevent bruising and spoilage. By following these steps, you can cultivate the finest mangoes that will delight your taste buds and bring joy to many. Whether you're starting a small orchard or looking to expand your mango farm, these tips will help you achieve a bountiful harvest. Thanks for joining us on Discover Agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming insights.